Messages, my wings. Try to Ugukumashure kubekina vamwa chichofunga kuti zanu handina ndabva kure ndichichuna ndichiri kuchuna kumberi chichanuna naishe vemunana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is week 3, guys. We've made it to week 3 of Africa month, and I'm so excited because this week is very different, very special. Up until now, all my tops were pieces of material that I actually just had to put together because, of course, it's a pandemic, we're in lockdown, there are no tailors available, so I had to be creative and just find ways to use my African print material as tops. But today, honey, Imbayashe decided to bless me with this beautiful top, so I'm just gonna insert a clip now so that you guys can see how stunning this is. So Imbayashe is a clothing brand that specializes in African print outfits, and they also do a lot of special occasions, for example, weddings, graduations, Africa month. So yeah, it's really just an amazing company that is really doing a lot of amazing work. This was very quick and easy for them to make, and the great thing is I didn't even have to be in Johannesburg for them to do it. I just told her, girl, this is what size top I wear, and as you can see, she hooked me up, honey. So that was also really cool. So their service is efficient, quick, and they're super friendly, so be sure to check them out. So once I've applied that gel, I am now taking my tail comb just to make sure that my parting is nice and straight. And then I'm also going to use that comb to comb in the gel because this helps my hair to look flat. So make sure you comb that gel in. Then of course I'm taking my scrunchie and I'm just going to tie that together at the back of my head. Now I'm taking a brush and I'm just going to brush that gel into my hair. This is what really helps my hair to make sure it's sleek. Next I'm going to take an old toothbrush and I'm going to use that to do my edges as usual. So I'm also using that tooth comb just to make sure that my hairline is nice and straight despite the edges. This just helps me to have the precision that I want with this hairstyle. Next, I'm taking the Sublime hair from my first Africa month video. I just put that on a scrunchie and I'm going to tie it on to that little ponytail that I have there. And I'm also going to attach the second piece so I can have nice full hair. And then I'm just taking a piece of that hair and I'm going to wrap that around both of these two scrunchies of hair, just to make sure that the scrunchie is not showing and just to neaten it. It always looks good when you neaten it. And of course, once I'm done wrapping that hair around, I'm going to place a bobby pin so that it stays in place. Next, I'm taking some faux pearl clips from Clips, and I'm just going to clip in those clips above my ears on either side, because that basically gets the job done. But it looks cute and low-key, and there you go, that's the hair, nice and simple. Now for eyeshadow, we're starting with our Louise base from betty.co.za, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid to prep for my eyeshadow. Once that's done, I'm taking my Patricia Bright palette and I'm going in with the pink in the bottom row and the black as well. So I'm just going to apply that pink all over my eyelid, above my crease, and I'm making sure that it has a winged liner effect on both sides. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that eyeshadow so that it doesn't look harsh. Now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow all over my crease on both sides to deepen that pink color. Then I'm taking that fluffy brush again and I'm just going to blend the two colors together so that there are no harsh lines. Then I'm taking my Louise base and I'm going to cut my crease as usual on both sides. So once I've cut my crease, I'm going to start filling in that crease with black eyeshadow right at the end, making sure to keep my winged liner effect. So I'm just going to do that on both sides. Just going to bring that black in, and then once I have done that, I'm gonna go in with the next color, which is that same pink. So I'm gonna pat the pink at the edges of that black just to diffuse it into my cut crease so that it's not looking so harsh. So I'm doing that on both sides, of course. Next, I'm going to pat on some white eyeshadow all over that Louise base. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Profile Tip Liner in black, and of course I'm just going to line the bottom of my eyelid into that black liner. Since my eyeshadow looks like a winged liner, there's no need for me to do an actual winged liner using eyeliner. Now I'm going in with my Essence mascara and of course applying that. Then I'm going to put on my lashes from Cozy Cosmetics. Check them out on Instagram. And there you have it, guys. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for my outro, so thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.